August 10th, 2025. Kevin lit in Bombay Beach. Where else on my boat? Tonight's sunset's going to be even more epic because we have clouds. Probably in about another 15-20 minutes, these colors are going to get amazing. Can't wait. We've had mostly clear nights the last several weeks, so this is the first time we've had clouds in a while. So like I said, this whole sky is just going to be, it's going to be trippy. This is the kind of sunset I love. The colors are kind of muted, but still not bad. Could get more colorful in a moment, but just look at that sky and the reflection. Do my usual circling around here. This time, because it's cloudy, well, a little bit of color to the east, but not a whole lot yet. Just gonna have to wait and see. I mean, my experience with sunsets and photographing sunsets says this still has a lot of potential to be even more colorful. And 7:28, so let's see what happens though as the time goes by. Pretty much gonna know in the next 5 or 10 minutes, but it's still nice and smooth. I mean, look at that. It's like magical. This sunset is definitely not disappointing. Look at this. It's colorful, magical. I love it out here at the Salton Sea. And the water is still pretty much dead calm. There's a tiny bit of wake from my boat, and that's about it. A little bit of color as I get around here. Obviously that way is obviously west. A little bit to the southeast, a tiny amount of color, nothing great. Yeah, but those reflections are just amazing. Kind of boring to the east and northeast. Oh, it's not bad. Yeah, once we get back around here towards the west, though, that's where it's at. Some nice texture to the clouds too. A little bit more just with my camera. There's a little bit of lag because it's aimed a little towards my back, but yeah, look at that. Simply awesome. Such a dreamy sky. Look at that. Being in a boat like this on the Salton Sea. I call it Bombay Beach boating bliss. So dreamy. Let's go back to the colorful part. Thought I'd change up the point of view here for y'all. Yeah, so this really captures it, this angle. I mean, usually I aim off the side or from my back, but this will give you even more than it's like to be on the Salton Sea during this amazing sunset. I mean, if the sunset lasted for hours, I would be out here for hours. So this just never gets old. So dreamy, so amazing. So awesome. So peaceful. So amazing. Anyways, thanks for watching another Bombay Beach report. Kevin Lit. One of these times I'm going to wear my light up vest out here. But anyways, Bombay Beach, California, Salton Sea. So awesome. And please do, more importantly, like, but also subscribe, and please tell your friends to subscribe. If I can actually start making decent money on this, I can spend even more time here in Bombay Beach. I mean, I know you might say, oh, well, I live here, but yeah. Thanks for watching.